As of today, if you are filing for an adjustment of status application, guess what? That new wealth test, the public charge final rule, will no longer apply to your case. Just to refresh your memory, the public charge final rule is something that was implemented and created underneath the former President Trump, which is essentially a wealth test designed to prevent people of a lower socioeconomic background from getting a green card. It is a truly invasive application that has increased the burden on green card applicants, and those applying for green cards through their family and through employment are subject to this test. As of today, USCIS has posted on their page that they will no longer require persons to submit the Form I-944 Affidavit of Self Sufficiency along with their green card application as of March 9th, 2021. So if you've been waiting to file your green card application, now is the time to do it.